2016 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, heated seats, backup camera, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front alloy wheels. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.